For the first step, strip the UTP cable using the cable cutter. You will see a group of smaller wires inside. Then, classify the cables based on the order of T568B type. The order is white orange, orange, white green, blue, white blue, green, white brown, brown. Flatten the cables and make sure that there is no twist using crimping tools. Next, put the cable inside the RJ45 connector. Check the cable's position is still in order. Tighten the connector using crimping tools. If you hear a click sound, it means that you have set it right. Repeat the previous steps to the other edge of the cable. Finally, test the connection using LAN tester. If the lights in the LAN tester blink from number 1 to 8, it means the cable works perfectly.